number 5, we have 4x squared minus 4 over x squared minus 16 less than 0. So I'm going to start off by, this is the same type of problem we just had, so we need to find the zeros of the numerator and any kind of discontinuities that might be occurring. So the numerator, we can factor to x plus 2 times x minus 2. In the bottom, we have x plus 4, x minus 4, less than 0. Nothing cancels, so we are immediately ready to go to our sign line. Let's see, our x-intercepts come from the zeros of the numerator. That's going to be x equals plus or minus 2. And then our vertical asymptotes, that's going to be x cannot equal negative 4 or 4. So these are the locations that we can actually change signs. Making a sign line, I'm going to go negative 4, negative 2, 2, and 4. So now I have to determine, do I have a plus or a minus in each one of these different intervals? If I put in negative 5, and you can plug it in here or here, just depending on what you think is easy. I think the top one would probably be easiest here just because it's simple. So negative 5 squared is 25. 25 minus 4 is positive. Negative 5 squared is 25 minus 16. That is also positive. So I've got a plus in that area. Now I look between negative 4 and negative 2. So if I plug in a negative 3, negative 3 squared is 9. 9 minus 4 is positive. Negative 3 squared is 9. 9 minus 16 is negative. So here I'm going to get out a negative value. Then I plug in some number between negative 2 and 2. 0 is always a winner there. If I plug in 0, I get a negative on top, a negative on the bottom. Positive, negative, negative makes positive. So I've got a plus there. Plug in a number between 2 and 4. Plug in 3. 9 minus 4 is 5. That's positive. 9 minus 16 is negative. Positive, negative makes negative. And then finally, if I'm bigger than 4, if I plug in 100, big number, positive, that's a plus. So now I'm looking for where this is less than 0. So here's my sign line. It's got my vertical asymptotes as well as my zeros. In this case, it doesn't matter if it's a vertical asymptote or a 0 because we have strict inequality, so we cannot include those boundary values anywhere. Anyway, so I'm negative in this area and I'm negative in this area. So I'm going to go open parentheses, negative 4, negative 2, unioned with 2 to 4.